Hey, what's going on with the YouTube? I'm going to be doing a couple videos about the snow, so let's go and show you. It's been snowing like crazy here. We got about 2 feet of snow. So I'm going to show you a little bit around the house, and then I'll take you out for a ride on some of the back roads. This is the Eclipse. It's totally buried. There's just a ton of snow. So now we're going to go out for a little ride. This is the rig we're going to be taking out. It's a Zuzu I built. We're going to be going out in the 33 by 12.5 Cooper Discoverers. Let's see. So the snow's about up to my knee. Alright, I'm going to finish this video. Just put this up as an introductory. There'll probably be a couple short videos of some snow riding. So, alright, peace out.